Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix when you can't turn on your PlayStation 5 with your PlayStation 5 controller. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. Now, if you can't turn on your PlayStation with your controller, what are some ways that you can go ahead and fix this? Well, one way is to completely turn off your PlayStation. So locate the power button. Hold it down, you will hear one beep initially, and then you'll hear a second beep, and then it will say preparing to turn off your PlayStation 5. Now you can do this when you're on press the PlayStation button on the controller screen when you start up your PlayStation, and then just completely turn it off once again. And then when you don't see any lights on the light bar, rotate the console around, then unplug it from the wall outlet for approximately 1 minute. So my PlayStation 5 is turned off. Let's unplug it and then just wait 1 minute and then plug it back in. Now, I've encountered issues where it hasn't worked in the past, and then all of a sudden when I unplug it and then press the PlayStation button on my controller, it simply starts working. And then I heard the beep when I press the PlayStation button, and this is going to completely bypass the press the PlayStation button screen on the login when you start up your console. So you should just go straight to your user profiles then, and you should be good to go. Now another thing is, you could try connecting with a USB cable directly to your console. So just plug this in. Maybe for some reason you got disconnected from Bluetooth or something like that, and you have to reconnect your controller. So just go ahead, connect with a USB cable just like this. This one is from my GoPro. Press the PlayStation button when it's plugged in. Then you should be reconnected. Also, if you are having problems with your controller, there is a small reset pin right here that you can use like a small toothpick or something, and just hold down that button for about 5 seconds and see if that helps reset your controller. And when you press the PlayStation button, everything else works again. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.